welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great and enjoying the Christmas season. So last video we've seen a quick makeover of the entryway. So if you have not watched it, I'm going to link it in the cards. Please check it out. So this video we're going to be seeing a very quick and simple makeover of the living room. As you can see, the Christmas tree is all set up and we have gone with the blue and white theme. So to match the tree, we are going with the same color palette for the living room as well. So to start off, the very first thing I wanted to take care of is the sofas. I'm not going to change the sofas. I just wanted to give them a fresh and new look. So as you can see, I have used sofa covers here. So to give it a different look, I wanted to try the sofa throws that we get, and I had got this from Amazon during the Great Indian Festival, and it goes with the color palette that I've chosen, that is blue and white. The material of this is quite soft and it is of cotton, so I loved the finish of it as well, and the pattern on it. So let's see how it looks and changes the look of the sofa with the throw on. This is how it looks with the throw. I love how it completely changed the look of the sofa with the old sofa covers. So on the other side we have these two sofa chairs. So to cover them up, I got the same sofa throws again and covered them up. I had to fold them because I couldn't get the size of this, and you can't really cut them because it's going to have some loose ends, so I didn't want to spoil it, so I decided to fold it and use it this way. Next, I wanted to style the sofa with some cushions, so I got these cushion covers from Amazon. You get them in a set of 5, but since I had only 3 cushions, I've used only 3 of those. It comes with a velvety finish and the colors are quite vibrant. And the best part is that it goes so well with the color theme that I've chosen. So similarly for the sofa chairs, I had 2 smaller cushions and I had got a set of 5 cushion covers for those, of which I've only used 2 here. Next, to cover the space in front of the sofa, I got this carpet again from Amazon. I didn't want to go in for a very highly priced carpet because I have a toddler at home and it can get quite messy. So I wanted to get something that can be washed. So I found this in Amazon and I love the print on it and also the color of it. So I went in for it and I felt it is quite reasonably priced. So I have placed our coffee table here in the middle, and this one was actually a DIY. I had used some left out contact paper to cover half of it. I wasn't sure about leaving it half uncovered, but I love the quirky look it gives. So here we have a cute little basket table that I got from the Super 99 store that's there in the Brookfields Mall, Coimbatore. So this one actually came with a natural finished wooden top, but I again covered it with the left out contact paper to match it with our coffee table. So I'm going to use this table to place a planter and add a plant to add that greenery that the space is missing. This planter I had actually got from a nursery in Coimbatore. I have done a detailed video on the indoor plants that I had got and also the planters that I had got from the nursery. So please check that out if you're interested, and I will also add the link to the video in the cards. On the other side of the living room, we have this big French window where I placed some indoor plants, and this is how I've decorated it for the Christmas. So that's it with the makeover, and this is the final look of the living room. I hope you all liked and enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment and share, and please subscribe and show your support. And until next time, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year wishes in advance.